Is it plain? Hey, look at the jawline, bro. Hey, I'm back. We're gonna play some horror game, I guess. So sit tight and we shall do this thing.
So hello, ako nga pala, Shin. At tayo po ay maglalaro ng Dumpster Night by Lixian. Ngayon, kung di nyo kalala si Lixian is, nagalala ko siya kay Markiplier like as his editor. He also has his own channels, so check it out. Tagal ko na din nakapaglaro ng horror game. I mean, di naman siya basically horror game, para mga chase games yung mga nilaro ko. So, yeah. Oh! Wait a minute. All the way there. Enough of that. Let's play the game. Headset at full max volume. That's the way to do it.
Huh?
That made a big mess today. Time to clean up. Put the garbage bags in the dumpster. I mean, I guess so. Let's go, bro. So, ang gagawin natin is, we should pick up trash. Pick up trash. That is a very ominous road. Wala ba sa gas sa akin? Alright. We just throw the trash. I don't know. The bin seems kind of suspicious, not gonna lie. Yo, wait. That is not centered anymore. Okay. No. Let's just... The moment I take this trash... Alright,
Di na siya centered.
No. What? I have sweat. Oh. Yeah. Alright, I hate this game. Yo. Alright, let's... Are you seeing this right now? The bin used to be right here. Now it's over fucking there, bro. Nah, bro. Is there like anything like a flashlight in here or something? I have 3 more. I have fucking 3 more. I'm sweating right now. Look at that, bro. Man. No. No. This is one of my fears, bruh. Oh. So far, wala namang nangyayari. The bin is right there. Oh my god. Where's the... You see that? Ayoko lapitan. Ayoko lapitan. No, you stay right there. You stay fucking right there. No. Okay. Alright. Ah. Tumalun ako. Why am I slow now? Yo, okay, I'm gonna take out the trash. I'm not a pussy. Come on. Yo. Oh no. What is... Where do I go? Here. Alright. 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 Pasok, 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 pasok. Ang lapit niya, ang lapit niya, ang lapit niya. Ang lapit niya, boy. Looks like you brought a piece of me into your home. This time I hit and you run. Let's try again. Wait. Let's try again. Try natin siyang ipasok lahat. Like anong ko lahat. Yeah, let's begin. Let's begin. Try natin siyang like i-spam ko lang yung E habang natakbo, legit. I-spam ko yung E. Yeah, bro. I just checked, bro. I just checked. Yeah, I guess. Whoa! What the? Yo, that is the second time, bro. I mean, like, magtatapon ka tapos ang layo, bro. Like, parang siguro gusto ko na siya ilagay sa harap ng bahay, you know? Like, ako lang naman yun. Okay. Okay, nandito siya. Run. Okay. So, dito na yung chase scene. This. I-spam natin. Spam yung E. Oh, yun siya gag. Congratulations, you did it. You left your little secret in the dumpster and no one will suspect a thing. What do you mean by that? Wait, let me check the other endings though. Panoodin natin na lang. So this is ending 3. Dead. So I'm basically assuming na mamatay nito yung tao, I guess. So he's dead. So that is the ending 3. So this is the ending 4. Okay. So naglalakad siya, tapos kukunin niya ulit yung pangalawang trash. Tapos lalagay niya ulit. This is procrastinator, right? Oh, so you decided to avoid the whole like pagtapon type of stuff. Yeah, I'd rather do this in the daylight, you know. No way. So let's move on to ending 5. This is ending 5. Okay, so put the trash in it already. Okay. Oh, again? You've seen enough horror movies to know exactly what's going on. Oh, because kapag gumalaw na yung bin, papapasok. So, parang like, nagkaroon ka ng instinct, which is like common sense. Sino magtatapon nun? And finally, ending 6, which is called Fugitive. What do you mean fugitive by that? Oh? Whoa. You can't run away from what you've done. That's cool, man. I mean, you turned a whole like a casual thing, like wala, tatapon lang, ganun lang, like wala lang. And then you turned it into like a horror game, and siguro takot na magtapon sa basura ngayon ng gabi. I will never do that again. Bro, you gotta give me outros. Like, I don't know what to say.